Welcome back to your home garage. In this video, we're going to cover off this new to me 2005 F150 King Ranch. And right now we're just in beautiful Wheatland, Alberta, where this awesome couple was willing to part with their family vehicle. So I've never owned a truck before, but since I just started a renovation company, I was looking for something a little bit older and absolutely unique. So I was just honored that the couple chose to part with this vehicle and have me as the next owner. And check out this view from Wheatland, Alberta. Definitely a place fit for a King Ranch. And for a 2005, this truck is in amazing condition because it's 2021 right now. And this truck didn't grow up north of the border. It's actually a US truck. So it was in Wyoming and South Dakota. And check out this King Ranch leather. Now I know this isn't everyone's cup of tea, but I gotta tell you, this trim level and that leather, I absolutely love it. So as this truck has seen many gravel roads, I just wanted to show it to you in its origin environment. And I'll show you a little bit more video about the truck, but I'll do that when it's on my driveway. And while we were on the ranch, we just couldn't resist seeing the latest member of the family. So here we are, gravel road to concrete jungle. And this dark copper brown is absolutely unique. And I gotta tell you, very fitting for this truck. And I'm absolutely astonished at how pristine this truck is for a 2005. Now check out the great condition of this interior. And you know what? It hasn't been detailed. I'll be doing that, and I can't wait to share all that content on this YouTube channel. And again, that King Ranch leather is absolutely amazing and ages beautifully with time. All the door panels are in great shape, a few little scuffs here and there, but we'll be able to buff all that out in due time. We'll end up cleaning up all those door jambs. That won't be hard. No rips in the leather. Check out the back seats. Nearly perfect condition. And the carpet's been protected. And we'll use the extractor to clean the carpet in a future video. And when we do our exterior wash, we'll also use the water broom to wash the undercarriage. But again, for what you end up seeing for a 2005, absolutely great shape. And check out these original rims. And just a little bit of rust here and on the other side, which I'll show you. But I should be able to get to that without any issues. And now let's check out the trunk bed. Now the struts are gone on this cap, but that's not a big issue. That's an easy repair. But look at the condition of this trunk bed. It's just in need of a power wash and it'll suit my purpose, but it's in excellent condition. Oh, and here's one of the stickers from Rapid City, South Dakota. Again, look at this driver's seat, no tears, and I can't wait to detail this truck and share all that content. And in 2005, you're not going to have as many creature comforts as you do today, but those power pedals are pretty cool. And here's that other rust spot that I'll easily be able to get to. So let's hop in and start this bad boy up. And as you can see, everything is in imperial measurements. So wish me luck in a metric world. Right now, everything seems to work inside from the AC straight through to the heated seats. And an engine detail is definitely on the list, but I gotta tell you again, I absolutely love that this thing was on a ranch, and this is the condition of the engine bay. So before we conclude this video of this new to me King Ranch, I'd really like to hear from you in the comment section below of what you think the first upgrade should be. And I also welcome and encourage with your comment below to post a link to your channel so my subscribers can see what you're doing to your truck, and more specifically, maybe your King Ranch. So first up, a heavy duty detail and then some mechanical work. And to help keep this channel going, make sure you hit that like button, share this video with a friend, and comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on Your Home Garage.